I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. In this video, I will show you how I animated this Jesus character to talk and wish you a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and I'll be using Moho Pro software for this tutorial. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll show you how to make money with your animation skills. So I will be showing you how I created this animation. Let's start immediately. So I'll open up my Moho Pro software. Then when you open up your Moho, go to file, click on import. Then you have to import the Jesus character. So I've already drawn this Jesus character, so there won't be any need for us to draw anything. I've already used this Moho Pro software to design this Jesus character. So guys, if you want to get this character, use the link in the comment section of this video to purchase and download this Jesus character. You can use it to animate a Moho, Flipper Clip, and Adobe Animate. So once you import Jesus character, also import the background also. So I have already imported the background as well. So then press Ctrl J to do show output so that you will be seeing the camera part of the screen. So then you have to adjust both the background and Jesus character to match very well, to fit into the camera. So now I like the way it is looking now, so I think I'm okay with it like this. So at this point now, then go to file, then I'm going to import the audio. Okay, so I have already recorded the audio that I will be using. So this is the audio. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So you can see that the audio is just 10 seconds. Okay, so the next thing now that you have to do now, let us start doing the lip syncing. So go to that your character head, you will go to the mouth. Okay, so you will be doing lip syncing. So by lip syncing, I mean if you hear a sound, you will know which voice to give to that sound. So this is the manual way of doing lip syncing, but there is an easy way which is automatic lip syncing. So if you want to learn how to do automatic lip syncing in Moho, I recommend you join my animation class, because in my animation class I offer one-on-one mentorship where I will teach you how to create characters and how to animate it. So in that class you also learn how to do automatic lip syncing to make animation very easy for you. So I recommend you use the link in the comment section of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me for my animation class. So the manual one we are doing is, if we hear a sound, then we'll import it like I'm doing right now. So if I hear a sound as he is talking, then I will now be switching in different mouth part that I want to use. But this is the manual. There are easier way to do it, which is automatic lip syncing, whereby you select your audio, then you select the lip syncing, and the thing will now lip sync automatically. So now we are done with the lip syncing. We are almost done. So at this final point, I will just put the R sound here. So by lip syncing is a way you make your character to perform acting, and if you do the lip syncing properly, it's going to make your animation to have good quality. So okay, I know some people that spend more time just to achieve a lip syncing, okay, but there are automatic way to do it. Okay, so let's play the video and see. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Guys, you see the way I did the lip syncing, very easy. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel up to now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So moving on. So at this point, I have to focus on making eye movement. Like I move the eye left, right. I also blink the eyes. So all these things are way, like now I've already switched to the eye blinking, so that when the character is talking, his eyes will also be moving. Okay, so in animation, you work on the mouth also you need to work on the eyes as well. So all these things are the way you bring your character to life and make your character to perform a good acting. Okay, so as the character is talking, at some point I have to make the eyes to move to the left. Some point I'll make the eyes move to the right, and then some point I will now blink it. Okay, so that is how I make this character to come to life. Okay, so let me play the video now and see the animation.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
And if you want to follow along with me, just use the link in the comment section to purchase this character so that you can also animate with it, because this character now is rigged. You can move the bone anyhow you want and use it for animation. Okay, so at this point I have to add some body movement. In animation you need to also add body movement, the hand moving and acting of the character. I believe that if you join my animation class, you will be able to know when to apply body movement and when to make your character to start performing actions. Okay, so I recommend you join my animation class to learn directly from me. Okay, alright, so you can see that I added different body movements. So as the character is talking, I'll be switching from one body movement to the other body movement to make the animation come to life. So I'll continue testing different body movements. Okay, because the character have bone in it, so that bone is the reason why it is moving the hand and the neck. Everything is moving like a normal character. So as you can see, the way I'm moving this character body, you see I added a bone in it, so that is that bone that I'm using to control the character. So if you want to learn how to bone your character, so that you can move the character anyhow you want, I recommend you also join my class, because in my animation class you will learn how to rig any character for animations. Okay,
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Okay, so let me zoom into the screen so that you can see the thing properly.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So by the time we finish adding the body movement, the last thing that we need to do now before we can export this video is for us to animate the camera. If you are doing animation, you need to apply camera movement to make the video interesting. So at some point I have to change the camera position. You see the way I zoom in now, so that during the animation the camera will move, like will zoom in and out. Okay, so I will just do it basic ones. Okay, although in my animation class you learn different animation, different camera movement and camera shots. Okay, so but this is just I just did a medium shot now, moving towards the camera, towards the character middle part. So I have to copy the keyframes, and then I have to like,
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So guys, you see how interesting this video is looking now because of the camera movement. So as an animator, you need to be switching camera. You don't just do your video on one view. No, as the character is talking, maybe you zoom in, zoom out, zoom into the character head, just to make the story, the video interesting. Okay, you see the way the camera started to zoom in small, gradually. Then I'll copy the keyframes and then also paste it here. So animation in Moho, you work with keyframes. So if you understand keyframe very well, animation will be easy for you. And all these things are what I teach in my animation class. How to animate camera movement, to create interesting videos. Okay,
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So at this point I like the way the animation is moving. I like everything was added properly. So at this point now, the next thing I have to do now is you see the end frame now. So you see the end frame, then you have to see the end frame now of frame 240 250. Then go to file, click on export, okay, then you see the entire animation, then maybe you just choose any name you want to name the video, the project. Then we are going to export this video now. And as you can see, I'm using Moho Pro version software, so my own Moho now has been activated to work for free. So once you join my animation class now, you will get it for free, and the video is already exporting now. So once I finish exporting this video, I can share it on my social media platform, and get massive views. Okay, so you see, thing is already exporting, so let's wait for it. Within some few seconds now, the video will export. Then for those that come to my DM to ask me to send the animation app and software, those softwares are for my students. Okay, so you have to join my animation class for me to send you all the animation apps and software that I use for animation. Is for my students only. So we have finished exporting the video, so let's play the video now.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
See guys, you see how smooth the animation was, like, so you can also do your own animation. Okay, so if you want to get this Jesus character that I use for this animation, then I recommend you purchase and download this Jesus character. Use the link in the comment section to purchase and download this character. Okay, but if you want to learn how I created this character, then I recommend you join my animation class, so that I will give you the full detailed tutorial class on how I created this character from start to finish. Okay, and in my animation class you will get all the animation softwares and app. Okay, that is the benefit for joining my animation class. You get all the animation apps and software, and you know that this animation now I have rigged it already, so it's 2D rigged. So in the class you will learn how to create your own character and add bone, so that your character can start moving like a normal character. Okay, so I also teach 2D animation and 3D animation, and also Rico animation. So anyone you want to learn, I'm willing to teach you. All you have to do is to click the link in the comment section of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then contact me for my animation class, so that you will gain one-on-one mentorship with me. Because my duty now, in my animation class, where we are going to create male character, female character, we are going to create a background. Okay, we are also going to create dog and car and then bike. So all these things now, I want all my students to become professional animators, so that you can handle any kind of project. And for my students, once you join my animation class, I also teach you how to monetize your content on YouTube and start making money. I also connect you to the animation studios you can work with, and they are paying in dollars. Okay, they are paying from $200 to $500 per project. So use the link in the comment section now to join my WhatsApp channel, and then contact me for my animation class. So guys, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So by next year we are going to start 3D animation. I'm going to start doing 3D animation tutorial, so get ready. Next year is going to be massive. We are going to be doing Rico animations, we are going to be doing 2D animations, and we are going to be doing 3D animation. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also subscribe, and wait for me to start dropping the 3D animation tutorials. Okay, so guys, I will see you next week with a new video. I love you guys. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Keep enjoying. Okay, stay safe and stay out of trouble. I will see you all next year with a new video. Bye. Official Obaido tutorials.